Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'm going to show you a guide on how to install custom songs on Clone Hero. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, download custom songs. Go to website that offer custom songs for Clone Hero. Some popular websites include chorus.fightv.pw and cloneherosongs.com. Okay, so again, chorus.fightv.pw and cloneherosongs.com. Download the song files you want to add to the game. These files usually come in the chart format. Next is to locate your Clone Hero folder. Open the folder where you have installed Clone Hero on your computer. The default installation location for Clone Hero on Windows is go to local disk C, program files, x86, then Clone Hero. But it may vary depending on your setup. Create a songs folder. Inside the Clone Hero folder, create a new folder named Songs if it doesn't already exist. This is where you will place the custom song files. Extract and place the custom songs. If the custom songs are in a zip or RAR archive, or extract them to get the .chart files, then place the files, not the entire folder, into the songs folder you created earlier. Now, run Clone Hero. Launch the Clone Hero application. The game should automatically detect the new custom songs you placed in the Songs folder. Refresh song lists. In the main menu of Clone Hero, go to Settings, then Scan Songs. This will scan the Songs folder and add the custom songs to game's song library. Lastly, select and play custom songs. Finally, go to the Songs Select menu to browse and play the newly added custom songs. You can use the fret keys on your keyboard or a compatible controller to play the custom songs. Please note that some custom songs may require specific song packs or assets to work correctly. Make sure to read any accompanying instructions or note provided with the custom song files. Also, remember that custom songs are created and uploaded by the community, so the quality and accuracy of charts may vary. Enjoy exploring the vast library of custom songs created by the Clone Hero community and have fun playing your favorite tunes in the game. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!